Well, that escalated kind of quickly. Alright, that was a lot of fun. Got out here, it's a little bit more protected from the wind. Just gonna flip some timber. It's one of those things, some days you have a pattern you want to fish. Some days you just gotta kind of fish what you're presented. And that's today. Had to find an area out of the wind. There we go. Good fish, switch up to the rattle trap. These fish fight so hard down here. Oh yeah. Good fish. Get him on the leash here. Let him get back in the water for a second. Get everything set up to get him measured. Boat to cluster today. Alright guys, little 16-inch bass. Got us on the board. Like I said, we're sitting out here guys. We're in some grass, pretty shallow, but decided to start throwing the Strike King red eye. Ripping it through the grass. Guy took it. Good fish to get us started. So we're one more away from our limit. We want to get 5 for the tournament. I'm not sure if I mentioned it in the intro or not. This is about day 3 of trying to film an episode for you guys. But we're in the month-long KBF Challenge tournament for Texas. Came in sitting with 3 fish, so we're hoping to get 2 today. Fill out our limit. And then start calling up some of these smaller fish. Well guys, just gonna put an end to it. Fayette is showing his face. Winds are at 15, but out here that's easily about 25. Just not safe. We got 1 today. Would have liked that here longer. I think the rattle trap bite was going to be pretty good back here, but just not worth it. So we're going to head back to the ramp. It's going to be a little dicey. Got some white caps out there, and we're pretty much going into it. So we'll see you back at the ramp. Now we get on point. Not that we want to do it. We're taking things flat on, which is not good. All right, guys, we're gonna start the trek again. I think my plan is just try and walk to that point. All right, guys, we're back here at the house. Made it back. Had some time to think about everything. Crazy end to the day. What happened was we turned around that corner. Waves ended up pushing me into a very shallow area. Ended up getting my drive stuck. I could not pull it out. So ended up just getting waves taken on the side of the boat. Wasn't a very good situation. Fortunately, able to step out and get the safety. But, you know, it could have been really bad if it was deeper water or, you know, had it flipped. It goes to really show the importance of wearing your life jacket. I know you're only supposed to have it in the boat with you. That's the bare minimum, have it in the boat with you. But you do not have time to put it on in a situation like that. It's just super important to wear your life jacket. So if nothing else in this video, hope you take that away from it. But it's a good learning experience for me and you guys watching it. Thank you for taking time every day to watch this video. Means the world to me. I hope you take the time to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. And we'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.